So hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your keyboard look like this. It does work. I'm going to show you right now is proof that it does work. And see, put some ghost effects. Yeah, and it can look like this. All you have to do is download this app called Rainbow Key. I'll leave it down the description down below. You go here, themes, some do cost money, so yeah, you can also make your own, but let me just erase this. Okay, you can make it on like this. Oops. So, on like this, so you can just have a nice background. Like that. Like, oh, like this. You can just have. So we're gonna have like. Yeah, but like. Okay. That looks nice. Add that. You can add effect. You can have. Let's see. You can have like that. Make it have a sound. Then you just save him, and then all you have to do is go. Oh, when you already have it download like mine, but once you get it, you have to do is go to settings. Go to general. Go to keyboard. Add new keyboard, and there will be something called Rainbow Keys, something like that. After you have that ready, you go to like if you want to change it, all you have to do is like it's a button right here between all your stuff. I like having this back button. That yeah, it's really useful, guys. Also change the thing how it looks like. So I'll see you guys. Leave.